Not sure why we quit there. Maybe I accidentally blocked the intake. I don't think we're out of fuel, but at this lower speed, because we're running at 950 to 1,000 RPM right now, it's possible that it's just not drawing fuel as well, because that is the danger of running at slower speeds, is that it's just not as recoverable. So I think we're going to be out of fuel. We ran about 45 minutes and it just doesn't draw as well. Also, I appear to have some sort of contaminant in the bottom of my fuel line, so the big loop in the fuel line is doing its job in that the contaminant is settling in there, but now I gotta make sure that I flush that out before we run again. So but that was pretty nice, running down at the 950 to 1,000 RPM. That's over 200 RPM slower than it was before. I don't know if the ET6 will run any slower, but I don't know if I want to try it, because like I said, we're having trouble continuing running here and drawing fuel as the tank goes down, whereas at 1250 it would suck the fuel line dry and just pull a big bubble in there until it was all out. So